Hey guys, so in my job, I get a lot of questions about like what kind of Wi-Fi extender is best for the home, and that depends on a few things. You know, how many devices you're using, how big your home is. But there are a couple different kinds of Wi-Fi extenders. You've got mesh extenders, and this is kind of the newer thing. And then you've got repeaters, which they still make, but you know, it's kind of the first iteration of Wi-Fi extenders. A repeater is going to, talk to your primary router and it's going to clone your Wi-Fi network. So if it's like Woody's house is your main Wi-Fi network, then the repeater is going to make one that says Woody's house EXT for extender. And then if you're on that side of the house, you got to connect to that network. With a mesh network, you can actually have one unified network across all of the access points that you have set up. So you might get a mesh system with 2 access points or 3 or 5, whatever, depending on the size of your house or business if you're using it there. And it's going to be the same Wi-Fi network. You can walk around with your phone, your laptop, your tablet, whatever you're using, and it's always just going to connect to the same network. The mesh extenders, some of them use Wi-Fi 5. The newer thing is Wi-Fi 6. It's got more bandwidth, it uses more frequencies, so it can transfer more data. There's like less loss between them when they communicate wirelessly. So you're getting higher speeds even when you're far away from the actual modem or router, that they're plugged into. And those are great. There's something newer called Wi-Fi 6E, and 6E there's not a lot of devices that really support Wi-Fi 6E, so I wouldn't spend the money on that just yet. I mean, as of right now, it's 2023, maybe in 2024, 2025, there'll be a lot more things that support it, but unless you're running like enterprise level businesses out of your home, I don't think you need Wi-Fi 6E stuff, and it's just a little pricier. So I'd go online, Amazon or whatever, check out TP-Link. They make Decos. Decos are some nice mesh extenders. There's all different kinds, but just look for anything that says Wi-Fi 6 and get like a 2-pack or a 3-pack. That's great for most homes. I'll definitely link that in the description. And there's all kinds of other ones. Eeros, Google Home, Google Mesh. Netgear makes Orbeez, and those are great, but they're a little more expensive. I like the TP-Link ones just because they're not too expensive. You might spend $100 to $200 up front, but you've got something that future-proofs your house for at least the next 4, 5, 6 years. So definitely worth the investment, especially if you have a lot of devices on your home network. So check it out. TP-Link Decos linked in the description, and subscribe and like this video if it was helpful. Thanks.